Hi and welcome to today's video in the Study Unifees Daily Vid series. Today's video is about the entire process for those who wish to study in the UK. The UK, as you know, is one of the most favored destinations worldwide for international students. An incredibly strong higher education system, some of the best student cities in the world, and of course some of the best universities in the world make UK what it is today. One of the top 5 destinations worldwide for international students. Today's video is all about the steps you have to take from the day you decide to study in the UK to the day you actually attend your first class in a UK university. Of course, it all starts with making the decision to study in the UK. It's very important that you evaluate all the various pros and cons associated with each destination before making this decision. There is no one destination that's best for everybody. And thus, that makes it even more important that you gather all the information available before choosing which country you want to study in. Once you have decided to study in the UK, you come to stage 1. In stage 1, which is probably the longest stage among the 8 stages we will discuss today, there are several things that you have to do simultaneously. So first, we will talk all about the several things you have to do in stage 1. Well, it all starts with researching universities and colleges. Also, researching courses that align with your studies at home. By the end of stage 1, you should have chosen a final choice university or college. And you should have also aligned the course with what you have studied, component by component. Also in stage 1, you will have to prepare for and also attempt a language proficiency test. TOEFL, IELTS and PT are all widely accepted in the UK. Choosing which one you will attempt basically depends on which one you find more aligned to your own English language proficiency. In stage 1, it is also very important to collect all your academic certificates and also start working on your statement of purpose. Your academic creds are basically your transcripts or mark sheets. Also, recommendations from your teachers. Make sure to collect at least 3 recommendations from people who have taught you courses that are important and aligned with what you will study in the UK. You will also have to collect certification for all your extracurricular and co-curricular activities. You must also start working on your SOP at this stage. Writing an SOP takes time, and make sure you have a qualified counselor to look at it. Your SOP will be basically about why you chose the UK, why you chose a particular college or university and a particular subject, what your career plans are, and so on. Now, when you have finished doing all this, we come to stage 2. Stage 2 is when you have obtained all your academic certificates and also your IELTS and TOEFL score report. In this stage, you should start applying to a university. To apply to a university, you have 2 options. You can apply through UCAS. UCAS is the University and College Admissions Service, a service provided by the UK government. Also, you can apply directly to a university, as that is an option available to all international students. While applying to a university, it's important that you fill out online application forms correctly to avoid problems later. So fill out your application forms with a lot of attention to detail. Submit all your documents, and if there is an admission fee involved, pay it. Once you have done all this, the university will issue an unconditional offer letter, providing, of course, that your application is aligned with all the admission criteria. Then we come to stage 3. Stage 3 commences once you've received your unconditional offer. Stage 3 is all about getting your CAS. Accept your offer through UCAS or independently. Once you have accepted your offer, your CAS or confirmation of acceptance for studies will be issued by the university. Then there is stage 4. Stage 4 commences once you have received your CAS. Stage 4 is applying for a Tier 4 student visa. First, you have to submit your application form and pay the visa application fees. Then, submit all your documentations and your financials, whether it's a bank statement or an education loan. You will also be required to pay the health surcharge required by the UK government. Stage 5 is when you actually get your visa. Stage 5 is all about the things you have to do once you get your visa. First, confirm your accommodation. This is something you must not neglect because university housing is in short supply towards the start of the semester. Also, off-campus housing, which is available easily for students who are adults, must also be booked in advance. Book your flight tickets. Remember, the earlier you book your flight tickets, the chances are the cheaper it will be. Do all your shopping. There are several things which are cheaper at home than in the UK. We'll be posting a several video later about exactly how to do your shopping. Remember, always shop for ethnic wear because of the various events universities and colleges hold that require you to turn up in ethnic wear. Finally, get your packing done. Remember, all airlines have limits as far as how much luggage you're allowed to carry. Make sure you're within the limits to avoid paying extra. Also, in stage 5, you will actually travel to the UK. When you are flying, remember to carry your CAS and your academic certificates in your hand baggage so that they can be shown to the immigration officer when you arrive. Then, once you have cleared immigration, you can actually consider the fact that you have arrived in the UK. Stage 6 is after arrival, when you actually visit your university or college for the first time. You will have to enroll formally for your course and also pay your fees. Once you have done so, you can actually check into your accommodation. Next, make sure you attend the orientation, which in most universities is compulsory. Stage 7 is getting used to the university you're studying in and also the area you're living in. Get used to all the various facilities within the university. Know where each department is located, where facilities like the library or the canteen is located. Also, familiarize yourself with the area you're living in. Find out where things like banks and restaurants are located, and also figure out how transportation works in the area. Stage 8 is the final step in your journey to becoming an international student. In stage 8, you actually start attending classes. Make sure you attend classes regularly because universities in the UK have very strict attendance policies. Also, get to know your academic advisor. Remember that your academic advisor is available throughout your course to provide academic advice. You will find most of them are very friendly and accessible. Finally, make a lot of friends among your classmates and also make friends with your teacher. Teachers in UK institutions are much more accessible than those at home. After every class, there is an allotted time of 10 to 15 minutes in which teachers interact with students on academic matters and other things. Make sure you take advantage of this. The Study Unifees channel brings you several more videos. Videos on TOEFL, IELTS, PTE, SAT, GRE and GMAT, and also high-value videos on studying abroad in a variety of countries, including USA, UK, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. Thanks for watching this video. For more insightful videos like this, like, share, and subscribe. To kick off your plans to study in the UK or your IELTS, TOEFL, or PTE preparation, connect with us at studyunifees.io. Till then, all the very best of luck and take care.